How to archive conversation on Signal. Are you guys facing issues to archive a conversation in Signal application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To archive a conversation in Signal app, open the application and log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now scroll through your chat list, find the chat you want to hide, then swipe left if you are using iPhone, or tap and hold if you are using an Android. On Android, after holding the chat, tap the archive icon, a little box with a dot down at the top of the screen. The chat will instantly move into the archive conversation sections and disappear from your main list. Don't worry, it's not deleted. You are still receive messages from that person, and the chat will come back to the main screen if they message you again. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out our other videos on this channel. And that's it guys, that's how you can archive a conversation in Signal. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.